On Windows 10, Controlled Folder Access is an intrusion prevention feature available with Microsoft Defender Exploit Guard, which is part of the Microsoft Defender Antivirus. It's been designed primarily to stop ransomware from encrypting and taking your data hostage, but it also protects files from unwanted changes from other malicious applications.
Welcome to Newbie Computers channel.
Open Windows Security from Start menu. Click on Virus Threat Protection. Under the Ransomware Protection section, click the Manage Ransomware Protection option. Turn on the Controlled Folder Access toggle switch. Once you complete the steps, Microsoft Defender Antivirus will start protecting your files and folders from unauthorized access by malicious programs like ransomware. By default, the security feature protects the documents, pictures, videos, music, desktop, and favorites folders. Although it's not possible to modify the default list, if you have files in a different location, you can manually add other paths. To add a new folder location for protection, click the Protected Folders option. Click the Add a Protected Folder button. Select the new location. I will try to add folder dtemp for this example. You can see now that folder is on Protected Folder list. I will test this protection by creating a simple program to write file on folder dtemp. Of course you don't need to do this. You can skip this part, I just want to show you how it works. You can see the program can't write to the protected folder d:\temp. Let's see the list of blocked items by the anti-ransomware solution. Click the Block History option. The test program failed to write file because blocked by Controlled Folder Access. Let's see what will happen with the protection set to off. With protection off, the program can write file to folder d:\temp without any error. Now I will turn on the Controlled Folder Access again. On Windows 10, Controlled Folder Access can detect the apps that can safely access your files, but in the case one of the apps you trust is blocked, you'll need to allow the app manually. To whitelist an app, click the Allow an App through Controlled Folder Access option. Click the Add an Allowed App button. I will select the Recently Blocked Apps option to whitelist an app has been flagged as malicious. You can click the Browse All Apps option for other apps. Select the app executable. For this example, test_write.exe, you want to allow through this feature. Once you complete the steps, the app won't be blocked by the feature and it'll be able to make changes to files. You can remove app from allowed app list by clicking Remove button. You can remove folder from protected folder by clicking Remove button.